Yo, what going on everybody? It's King Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, I have a special detail going on today. My dog, DJ Don P, the legendary DJ Don P.
DJ Don P, the legend Don P.
Get another new ride, so I'm on dial it in. So you don't know, going back 20 plus years, Don P has been a staple in the Miami DJ music industry. Yo, you can check him out right now at Fontainebleau Club Live. Every Sunday, man, I mash up the place. That's hands down the biggest party in the world. Every Sunday. And also, you can check him out at Live at the Dolphin Stadium, DJing all the home games.
It's the boss, Ricky Rouse. Welcome to MIA, yo. You rocking with Don P, the finest, hottest DJ in the city. Don P, let's give it to him.
Yo, my G.
Yes, sir.
Where you say? Yeah man, everybody, this is the legendary DJ Don P. The man linked me up, make sure his ride is dialed in for this weekend, because you don't know the man I hit the club them enough to mash up the place, you see me?
You already know, whenever you get something new, you gotta come get your first wash. It's Clean Car Chris. Get all the paint protection, all the good stuff vibing for you. Make sure your ride stays clean and fresh.
You hear that Don P said that, you know, so you don't know he has the Dodge right here we're gonna dial in. So stay tuned guys, it's gonna be a movie. Yeah man guys, the homie Don P, he thinks he's just coming by just for a regular maintenance detail, but I'm going to hook him up, hit him with that clear and seal. Yeah man guys, so you know you can follow along while I do this clear and seal process, but you don't know, with the wheels, you always do that first regardless, right? So we're going to attack them, freshen them up. Like I said guys, this ride is a pretty brand new ride, so it's not that dirty, so we're going to try and get through it as fast as possible. Let's get it. Hit him with that foam, with that brake buster. Diluted 5-to-1 and the IK sprayer. Let's do it. It's summertime in SoFlo, and you see we got 2 tents out today because we're in the direct sunlight. Plus we're doing a clear and seal, so we got to keep the vehicle in the shade, protected, keep the panels cool. And me too guys, trust me, it's hot man. You see me on my towel, my sweat. I got my sunblock on already, but guys, trust me, I've been rocking one of these UV protective hats. So for today guys, or whenever it's sunny like this, I've been rocking this over the summer man, because you got to stay healthy, protect your skin, you know? You understand? King Car Chris said that. Boom. Yeah guys, you don't know this is a clear and seal. Typically I would put an iron remover on the wheels to decontaminate them from the iron particles, but this ride is basically pretty new. There's not a lot of brake dust collected on these wheels at all. Barely has, I don't know, 100 miles on it, so you don't know. We're just going ahead and doing the usual cleaning process with the brake buster, agitate and rinse off. Alright guys, the wheels and tires are all complete. I rinsed off the body of the vehicle. So now it's time to foam her up with I'm gonna hit it with the Adam strip wash. This is what I like to use. A little bit of stronger soap, help break up all of that grime. So we got the MTM. These days I've been using the MTM for like the stronger soaps, either like the strip wash or, you know, like a pre-wash soap. And then I have my MJJC with a pH neutral soap for the contact wash. In there right now I have, you already know, it's a homie, Don P, so I have to bring out the expensive soap. Cash Chemi GSF, you already know. So about 2 to 3 ounces, guys. You know, this is about 700 milliliters or 750. 2 to 3 ounces is good. So drop that in the MTM, screw the top back on. And remember, guys, quick pro tip, if you're new to this, don't shake up and down, just kind of gently tip it to make the soap mix in well with the water. Yo, Dan, what you say? Where you DJ this weekend, man?
This weekend I'm gonna be out at the Ave Maria Caribbean Festival with my brother DJ Blackout, and then Sunday night, you know, the Ritual Church, live on Sunday.
Biggest party in the world.
Biggest party in the world.
Weekly. That's weekly, you know, biggest party. Weekly.
So with that, I also have a quick question.
What's up?
So I spend a lot of time on the road, and ideally I'd like to keep my vehicle clean. So what recommendations do you have against bugs and all the bad stuff that hits your car out there at nighttime?
All right, so right now, he doesn't know yet, guys. He thinks it's a regular maintenance wash, but I'm actually hitting you with the clear and seal, right? So you'll have a nice layer of protection on the car to begin with. So that's key. Make sure your paint is protected, right? I know out here it's full of bugs, so the minute you drive out, you might have some bugs on the front. When you get home, just try and like rinse them off immediately. Don't let them sit. You don't know that can cause a problem. Other than that, bro, I would just tell you, maintenance is key. And every couple months, you want to add another layer of protection, whether it's a sealant, wax, whatever. In the future, maybe a ceramic coating. You never know. But protection is always key, and maintenance. All right, guys, what we tell them, foam time is the best time. We got the MJJC filled with that GSF. You don't know it's diluted. I would say I have about 700, 750 ml of water in there. I put about 2 to 3 ounces of product. And this MJJC is known for foaming action, so you don't know, guys. Let's foam this baby up. Now that the car is nice and clean, we rinsed it off. We're gonna hit it with the iron remover so we can do a little bit of paint decon. So let's see if this paint will react purple, that means, you know, we'll see. It's a brand new car, so I'm curious to see if there's any iron particles that are embedded in this paint. Check it out, guys. Yeah, man, here we go. Check it out. And this is a brand new vehicle, guys, so goes to show you, not because your car is new, but the paint is absolutely decontaminated, clean, like fully clean, you know what I mean, guys? Look at the purple reaction on this brand new Durango. See, it's not horrible, but definitely showing signs of contamination. That's why you need to hit me up and get your car cleared and sealed. You don't know? Check that out, guys. That's proof right here. Brand new vehicle. Look at that purple reaction. Anyhow, let's rinse it off. Come on, guys, time to clear. There's so many ways you can go about doing this, guys. Like I said, guys, this is just my way I like to do it. There are way more different styles you can do for the same package. So don't get too caught up on my process. I mean, if you like the process, that's cool. This is the way I'm comfortable doing it. Traditional clay bar. This is the way I like to do it. Some people like to foam it up and go in with the clay mitt and the clay towels on top of the foam as a lubricant. I personally, I do it sometimes, but I prefer using the traditional clay. You know, with the clay lube, which I got right here, just so I can see what I'm doing. You know what I mean, guys? I don't have this thick layer of foam kind of covering the paint and I'm just scrubbing away with the mitt or the towel. I like to clay the traditional way. That's just me. So anyhow, we're clear here, clay lube, remember? Gotta keep the panel ultra lubricated, guys. That way you don't mar the paint, right? So I'm interested to see, again, this being a new car. Let's see how, if we pick up any contaminants during this process, right? Let's see. Feels pretty smooth for the most part now, which was expected. I'm not really thinking I'm gonna pick up too much, but let's do a couple passes on a couple panels and see what the clay picks up. A little bit of speck so far. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. See, that goes to show you, even new paint has contamination in it, right, guys? Forget these cars, you know, when they're at the dealer, they're sitting on the lot, they're exposed to the elements, they're transported around God knows how many times on tractor trailers, so they're exposed to the elements, guys, so they're most likely going to pick up some contamination. So just goes to show you again, even more reason why you need to get your car clayed and sealed, preferably by me, right? You don't know. With that said, guys, I don't know if you guys know, you can follow me on other social media too. I'm on Instagram at Clean Car Chris, same way, and I also have my website, www.cleancarchris.com. Head over there, you can get your good vibes tees. If you don't know, you can pick up you know, some information on all my most popular services, this being one of them. You know, don't know, guys, you can check me out over there. Yeah, man, some contamination for sure. So when you do a couple panels, guys, you want to flip and re-knead. I don't know if re-knead is the word. I don't know, you like you're kneading clay or putty or something. So you want to like flip it over, mold it out to a clean side, and keep it moving, you know. This might take, you know, a bit longer than if I was just to foam it up and go in really quickly with the clay towel and stuff, but don't know, guys. You gotta, you know, find your process, find what works best for you. This works best for me, even though it takes me a little bit longer. I'm just more comfortable doing it the old school way, you know. And you know, just pay attention to how the clay feels against the paint. If it feels rough, you want to pay more attention to that area and keep claying that area until it smoothens out. I'm going pretty quick now because the paint is very smooth. It gets a little bit rougher on the lower panels, which is pretty normal. Obviously the vehicle is picking up more dirt and road grime on the lower panels, so it does feel a little bit rougher down there. Yeah man, when you're doing this you might want to take the time and just kind of rinse off some of the excess lube. A good thing about this too guys is, you know, any little specks that the contact wash couldn't pick up, especially on these lower panels, you can see them down here. You might can see them out. The clay will definitely pick them up, see? Boom. Cleaning up that paint, man. Yeah guys, I finished cleaning the car, so you can check it out. See how flat the water is on the panel? It's pretty flat. You know, not much protection on the paint, so we're about to change that by adding that Sealant wet coat as a nice sealant to boost the hydrophobics, the glass, and add a little bit of protection. So let's do it. So here we have it guys, my go-to sealant, Sealant's wet coat. Very easy to apply guys. It's a spray on rinse off product. So you don't know. Same thing guys, you don't want to do this in direct sunlight or on dry panels or hot panels. You want to make sure the car is wet. On cool panels, you want to start with the roof first and work your way down. I usually just hit the roof and the front windscreen first. Just like that. Just like that. And this product is good on all the exterior surfaces, all the trim, glass, all the plastics. Works good on everything guys. Very versatile. Look at this instant hydrophobics guys, look at it already. Don't forget the wheels too guys. Alright my people, the sealant has been applied. So now it's going to be a treat to actually dry the vehicle using my Ego blower. Trust me guys, look how easy the car is going to be to dry now. Check it out. Dan, come in. Respect again, you know, bro. I really appreciate you linking me up. Trust me, it means a lot. We go way back. So
not only are you a good friend, but you're one of the best in the biz. So, you know, gotta take care of people.
You hear that, people? You don't know. One of the best in the biz. Detailing, definitely one of the best. DJing down here in Miami and worldwide. Trust me, this guy been in the biz 25 plus years, holding it down. So you don't know, guys. Stay tuned for the after shots. It's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. You don't know the vibe already, guys. That is it. We out.